Good morning, guys. Today we are going to be making the famous Dalgona coffee. First, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee of your choice. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yes, guys. And then next will be 2 tablespoons of hot water. Okay. Then we are going to go ahead and do the hand whisking. Just make sure you are patient enough to whisk because it does take a lot of time. Yes, guys, it took me at least 30 minutes to whisk this mixture until I got the right consistency. And so far, it's looking pretty good. More whisking, guys. It's a great arm workout, I tell you that. Then we can add the giant's milk. And here comes the fun part, adding the mixture of the Dalgona coffee. That looks amazing. So here is our finished product. It was totally worth the whisking, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my little video of Dalgona coffee mixture. Thank you, guys. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Have a good one.